So will we only need one of these if we have water pressure issues, or would we suggest putting one of these in washes anyway, just to make sure we have steady water pressure all day long?
There are some benefits to having consistent water pressure from your chemical panels to your RO system. Everything works better off of consistent pressure. That's why we always like to say it's not a bad thing to include.
Given your druthers, would you rather feed it from a tank, or would you rather feed it from the city incoming water line?
We can do it either way. Either way. The key thing is, if you're going to feed it from a tank, make sure that you clean out the tank ahead of time. Sometimes people will have it from a tank, and especially when the car wash is new and it's just starting up and you have some particles and stuff inside of that tank, what will happen is some of those particles will get stuck in that check valve and hold it open. So if there is one issue with this, you got to make sure that you keep that check valve, you don't get particles binding up that check valve.
All right.
So other than that, it's pretty straightforward. It's a simple system. Once it's in place and it's running, they just keep running.
All right.